Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, there is a question related to a ट्रिपोज़ाइट. ट्रिपोज़ाइट क्या होता है? ट्रिपोज़ाइट एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जिसमें दो अपोजिट साइड पैरेलल होती है. बस दिस इज द क्वाड्रिलेटरल, अ फॉर्म ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल हैविंग टू साइड अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल. So we have to find the area of the ट्रिपोज़ाइट. It means ट्रिपोज़ाइट is area of ट्रिपोज़ाइट ECBA. ECBA. These two lines are parallel to each other. EC is parallel to AB. This area is to be found. Okay. इसका क्षेत्रफल निकालना है. What are the given conditions? Conditions are given that this DE is equal to 1 centimeter. This is given to us, and the area of the triangle DEA, area of triangle DEA, this is given to us 1 square cm. Okay, and accept this AB is equal to AE. AB is equal to BE. These are the three conditions given to us. ये तीन conditions दी गई हैं हमें. On the basis of these conditions, we have to find the area of the ट्रिपोज़ाइट. How we can do it? First of all, we should write the area formula for the area. Area of the ट्रिपोज़ाइट is equal to, this is equal to side parallel addition of the parallel side. It means EC. Somehow let us suppose this side is equal to x, parallel side, and this parallel side is equal to y. So area will be the addition of parallel side. It means x plus y by 2 into the perpendicular distance between these two. It means if we drop the perpendicular these two, this is the perpendicular. Okay, from this, let us suppose this is h, so this will be equal to h. This is the formula in which we have to find x, y and h, and we can find the area of the ट्रिपोज़ाइट. Okay, this is our aim. ये हमारा लक्ष्य है, x, y, z, x, y और h निकालना है. How we can find it? First of all, let us see. This area is given to us. This DE is equal to 1 centimeter, और ये हमने perpendicular drop from E point. This will be parallel to this. It means this is also 1 centimeter. This distance is also of 1 centimeter. Correct? Correct. And h is equal to this one. This is also h. Okay, height is same. Now we can use, this is known to us area. The triangle of the area is known to us. AED is 1 square centimeter. Area of the triangle दे रखा है. AED is 1 square centimeter. इसमें लिखा हुआ है. तो area of the triangle we are given DEA is equal to 1 SQCM. This is given to us. Okay. Which is equal to 1 centimeter. As per the formula के हिसाब से area लिख सकते हैं DE into H. It means DE into H by 2. This is equal to 1. It means H will be equal to 2 upon DE. But DE is equal to what? 1. This is 2. It means H is equal to 2. Now यहाँ note कर लिया that H here. H is equal to 2. This is the box in which we are going to find the values. H is equal to 2. Noted by us. Okay. Now H find. Now X is to be found. X and this X and Y. This is to find. We are given that AB is equal to BE. It is Y. It means this is also Y. Correct? This distance is also Y. Now we take this triangle. E, let us suppose this point is F. वी नेम इट एज, इसको हमने एफ मान लिया। तो ई एफ बी में इन ट्राइंगल ई एफ बी, E F B, we can apply the Pythagoras. This is the diagonal. Y square will be equal to H square plus Y square. This one, F B, and F B is equal to what? F B is equal to, this is Y, because we were given A B. A B is equal to B E. So this portion is 1. So this F B will equal to Y minus 1. In this triangle, we are having a triangle of this form. This is a triangle. This is H, this is Y, and this is FB is equal to Y minus 1, because 1, this is subtracted from Y. So Y square is equal to H square plus Y minus 1 square. We can write it Y square, this is equal to H square plus Y square minus 1 whole square. H square already we have calculated equal to 2. So we can say Y square is equal to 4 by putting H is equal to 2 plus opening this Y square plus 2, plus 1 minus 2Y. This Y square cancel, and 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to minus 2Y, or we can say Y is equal to 5 by 2. Now, second, Y is equal to 5 by 2. Remaining thing is to calculate somehow x. अब हमें x निकालना रह गया, और उसके बाद इस फॉर्मूले में रख देंगे, तब वैल्यू आ जाएगी। x निकालने के लिए क्या करें? अब देखिए, ये FB पोर्शन, FB that is equal to y minus 1, and this portion is also equal to x, because this line is parallel to this. This is rectangle. This is rectangle, so that this line will be minus 1. So x is equal to y minus 1. X is equal to y minus 1, and the value of y is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1, that is 3 by 2. It means x is equal to 3 by 2. These are the values we have obtained. All the three values we have obtained. Putting all these values in this formula for the area of the trapezoid. Trapezoid के area के formula है. So area A1, that area this will be equal to this x plus y, that is 3 by 2 plus y 5 by 2 into h 2 upon 2. This 2 gone. This is 3 plus 5, 8 by 2, that is 4. Answer. Area of the trapezoid is equal to 4 SQCM. This is the answer. This is the very good question, and it is for class 10th. जो 10th जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए very nice question. They have to see from beginning to last once, 2, 3, 4 times, so that they can understand the concept. पूरी concept clear हो जाए, आपको 1 या 2 या 3 बार इस वीडियो को देखें, आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा। और अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, बोर्ड में इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आते रहते हैं, इसलिए प्लीज वॉच माय वीडियोस regularly, continuously, without break. Okay, thank you. Good night, good luck for best future, and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thank you.